Hi guys, welcome back to the Next Minute channel. As we look at another grade 4 performance task, here is my number 5492161. And this one, I think I've done this at some point, but I think I need to go over it. All right. So it's a reading instruction to task below. Then answer all the questions that follow. Your school wants to start a chicken farm in order to provide meat for the canteen and raise funds for the school. It is a plot of land and used to the back of the school that the school has identified to place a chicken coop for the farm. You have been asked to help your principal to determine the number of chickens the coop will fit, determine the number of feeders needed, and calculate the cost of the feeders needed. And source Amazon. All right, so the first task is the rectangular base of the chicken coop has a length of 10 meters and a width of 4 meters. So that's the first task that we're to do. So let us use a different color and do that. All right, so it says each square represents 1 meter square. So it's a 1 by 1. So each side is 1. So in order to get the 10, I'm going to kind of do it here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the length. And the width should be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the first thing. And drawing on the grid is a rectangular cube, 10 by 4. So what we need to do is to label it. This is 4, this is 4, and this is 10. And the opposite side would also be 10. So basically you would allocate marks for this. All right, let's proceed. And that's it, guys, that's it. The next thing now, what is the area of the cube? So they want us to find the area of the rectangular cube. Just recall that it's a 10 by 4 meters. So this is 10 meters and this is 4 meters. So to find the area, it's length times the width, right? And that's how we find the area for a rectangle. So we put in our length, which is 10. So it will be 10 and our width is 4. So 10 times 4 gives us 40 meter square. Remember guys, the unit is very important. They are testing you for that also, all right? So it's square because it's area, it's 2 dimension. Question 3 says, each chicken needs a floor space of approximately half meter square. What is the maximum number of chickens that will fit in your coop? And you are to show the working for this. All right, let's reason it out now. So they say that, remember the original measurement was 10 by 4. So in our we have a space of 40 meters square. So a total area, right? Now one chicken, as they did say each, so each chickens need half a meter square for one. So one of them, so just imagine this. You have a square and one chicken need half. This will be about half. So you have one chicken here and 2 chicken here. So 2 chicken can hold in 1 meter square. So if we have 40 meters square, it will be 2 multiplied by 40. It tells us the total number of chickens it can hold. And that would be 80 meters square. But basically, remember, it's chicken, you know. So technically, it's not really square. 80 chickens. As remember, it's how many chickens it can hold. So it can hold 80 chickens. So the 40 meters can hold a total of 80 chickens. All right, let's proceed. And that's question 3. Let's see what question 4 says. The table below shows the number of chickens that three parents would donate. Use this information in the table to help you answer question 4. Now, Mrs. Gray said she can give 100 chickens. Mr. White says he can give 70. And Miss Brown says she can give 50. Based on your response in question 3, which parent's donation would you suggest to take? Now, basically, we said that it can hold 80 chickens. So, unfortunately, we cannot take the 100 because we won't have enough space. So, that's a space issue, right? 70 is very close. So, we could take this. We could also take Miss Brown, which is 50. But remember the objective, you want to make as much money as possible. So, we're going to take the one with the 70 chickens. All right. So, we're going to take Mr. White, 70 chicken. All right, so that was question 4, and basically I explained already. Basically, it's the closest to 80, what the maximum. All right, so let's look at question 5 now. It says the chicken feeders from which to eat. The chicken feeder need feeders from which to eat. Okay. 10 chickens use one feeder. So 10 chickens use one feeder. I don't know why they didn't have the word bag, but so 10 chicken equal one feeder. So guys, you write down the information so you can see it in front of you. Don't leave it in that big space. Write it down in front of you so you can see it, right? So easy it becomes now 10 equal 1 or 1 feeder equal 10. So if you have a total of 70 chicken, you can have an idea, right? We divide the 70 by the 10, right? Because if 1 feeder is equal to 10, that means you're going to 7 feeders for 70. So it will be 7 feeders. Don't know why I call it feeders. So that clear up this, it will be 7. If you had chose the 50 chickens, how many feeders would you need? Type that in the comment section. If you had chosen the last option, which was 50 chicken, how many feeders you would need? All right, so think about that. And the last part of the whole thing says, a farm store has 2 options when selling the feeders. The options are outlined in the table below. Use the table to answer question 6. So option A, feeders are sold individually, and we have 1 feeder costs $300. So that's 1 for 300. And option B, feeders are sold by the case. 1 case has 5 feeders. All right. 1 costs 1,300. So 1 case is 5. So 5 costs that. All right. Based on that, we need 7 bugs or 7 feeders. They call it feeders. So let's see. I guess that is something with the pan when you feed them in, all right? All right. So I'm going to go with buying. We need 7. I'm going to get 5 from this, which is 1 case. And then I get 2 individual ones. So that's 2 individual from option A. So 1 case is going to cost 1,300. However, this 1 case is 5 bucks. So we have 5 bucks here, and then we get 2, and it's $2. It's 2 times 300, right? Which gives us $600. So in all, we have a total of $1,900. That's the cost you would pay for the entire thing. And the reason for that, I want to buy the exact amount. See, instead of buying two bags, two case that cost this, so two case would cost 2,001. Two times that which give me 2,600. I don't want to spend so much money, right? And I'm gonna have 3 bags left. And for the individual ones, yeah, as you can see, 300 for one, very expensive. So if you should buy 300 times 7, because a 7 you need, it would cost 2,100. So by doing this, I can save $200. So that's my reason. So guys, we have come to the end. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have learned something. Check out the other videos on my channel. And for persons who are going to grade 5 and grade 6, or even grade 4, this is my number to join my class. My number is 549-2161. This is an explaining to my no doubt. See you guys in another video.